maybe you have seen that the robot was moving very strange at the previous recording, and this has some good reasons. First, I didn't define in the Easy Automator app what is the home position, and the other one is I was not selected the pen as a standalone tool for this recording. So I will do this, I will show this you how to do this. So we just have to make it always sure that the robot.dk file is open and with all of the necessary components, and the Steam VR is running, you can see here as well. So I just open up the options. And within the options, you can see here manual use tool to use. Here you have, I have actually the pen and the tracker only as an option. Later on, I will show you how you can add. So we have to make it sure that the pen is selected. And here for the home position, I just type in home, exactly the way as I defined here, okay? I just hit enter and save. Okay. Additionally, right now I have to restart. Additionally, I will show you that you can choose the buttons as well. You can see here that on my screen and here the device looks for sure the same, and you can see that this is button 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you come to these sections, you can see that we have post-rec L and post-rec J. The one is the linear movement out of robot.dk. That means we are defining the XYZ components and the rotation of the points, but we are not defining the joint values. This will be selected automatically by the robot. If we choose position recording J, post-rec J, then the joint positions will be recorded, which is not recommended. This is an advanced feature. The path rec function means you can do these, both of them, post-rec L and post-rec J, they are single points. Okay, so one single point will be recorded. The path rec means continuous recording. At this function, you have to press and hold one button. So as long as you hold it, you can do the recording. The robot will still follow the movements even if you release the button, but then there will be no recording. Then you can add comments like start welding or start spraying job on, off. You can save the orientation. That means all of the points will be recorded with the same orientation, even if you move your pen in your hand around. And you can add an additional generic comment as well as a third option. The toggle path rec is basically the same as the path rec. So this is a continuous recording, but you press only one time the button, then the recording is going on, and everything, even if you do not hold the button, everything will be recorded. This might be dangerous as well, so you have to really keep in mind this might be very dangerous because everything will be recorded, and then you have to press again to stop the recording. Why it is good if you integrate the pen in a manual tool in your manufacturing, that is a very convenient way that you don't have to press and hold, but this can be dangerous, so please keep in mind. Okay, and start means circular movement will be recorded. I will show you everything. So for the button 2, you can use as a right-handed and as a left-handed device. This is everything symmetrical. I'm a right-handed guy, so here for this button, this is the button 2. I have one single point in a linear movement. For the button 3, I will have continuous recording as long as I press and hold. The button 4, this will be for me the toggle path rec, and the button 1, which is this one, will be a comment. Okay, so I just save it. I have to restart again the application, which is not a big issue, and then we are really ready to go with the first recording. So to do so, I will change the side that I don't cover everything during the recording. So I'm just starting, I was just starting it. I have to be very careful. I don't have to, I'm not allowed to touch the tripods, because if the VR base stations are coming into a movement, then there will be a big inaccuracy. So I'm just coming to the origin and I'm recording one single point. Then I'm coming to the X. I'm just recording one single point, and I'm coming to the Y, and I'm just recording one single point. And here you can see that the accuracy was not as good as I wanted to have. So I will restart the application and I come back soon.